I'd like to thank Coverado for sending us these seat covers and headrest covers for our Toyota Tundra. It does come with the front and back covers and with the headrest too, and instructions and the mounting accessories. So we're going to show you how easy it is to put these in the truck and what it looks like after. Okay, we wanted to show you what the seats look like before. We bought this 2014 Toyota Tundra used, so we really did want to cover up those worn seats. This kit comes with all of the covers for the seats and the headrests and the hardware that you need to attach to the different loops on the different pieces. Some of the pieces were a little bit harder than others, but generally speaking, pretty easy. So we had already by this time done the passenger side, and now we're doing the driver's side. And it actually was not hard at all because you just tuck in the straps with the hardware, and the seat covers themselves just really fit like a glove. They slide on really easy. The headrests fit really snug, so it did take a little teeny bit of more effort to get those on, but you want those to fit nicely. And then here's for the center console, and that fit really well, slid on very easily, and the front seat is done. So in the back, you do the seat, the bottom seats first, and they just strap on really easy. Just want to point out too that the materials of these seat covers are a really nice leather, and so it just looked really nice. So here I'm doing the other side, and they just strap on and buckle, and then you're done. That Velcros together. And then the next part was to do the back and the headrests of the seats. And again, real easy. You just tuck in the hardware and the straps, and then do the headrests, which snap together. And then there's also a zipper here, and the reason that they put that there is there you can see that you need to pull the seat belt through, and then you can zip up the side so that there are no gaps and that it just lays really smoothly. There's a separate piece for that center headrest, and then here I am doing the other side. You just tuck in the hardware and the straps, and then you do the headrest part, and then you're done. That is it. You can do any more zippers. There's zippers around the headrest too that you can do, and there it's finished. We highly recommend it. It's so nice.